Now, going by those numbers, what we're understanding from experts is that the coronavirus crisis in India is only likely to get worse. In what comes as perhaps bad news for India, we've already seen number of cases going over the 2 lakh mark, and now experts say that at this rate at which the number of cases are rising, India could be the 4th most affected nation within just 2 weeks. Since May 29th, over 8,000 cases have in fact been reported every single day. India stands 7th among the worst affected countries, having overtaken Iran, Germany as well as France. But over the last week, India has added the 4th highest number of cases each day, only behind Brazil, United States and Russia. Meanwhile, as India opens up, the number of COVID-free districts has shrunk by 87% in the last 2 months. Going by, in fact, the data, red zones have increased by a whopping 5,600%, orange zones by 44%, and green zones have reduced to 9% from 69%. All of this in the last 2 months. Milind Sharma is joining us live from Delhi with more details on this. Milind, as far as the number crunching goes, the number of cases that have come to light in the last few weeks alone is very, very worrying. But the government says that what we should be highlighting here is not the number of cases, but the mortality rate and the recovery rate.
Well, yes, certainly. In fact, even as the number of cases continue to rise, we're witnessing a rise of at least 8,000 or more cases daily, which is being added to the COVID count. The government says that the recovery rate on the hindsight has also increased consistently, and we're somewhere about, over 47 to 48% now in the recovery rate, which is essentially good news because the government strategy now remains death containment, which is what the health ministry has been emphasizing, because when a patient is found COVID positive, the kind of treatment that is being given to the patient will be detrimental to save the patient's life, and certainly the people on the ventilators and ICUs are also in lesser percentage. But if we continue to move on like this in the number of cases, Akshita, surely we are going to be just behind the United States and Brazil now in the number of cases, even Russia, because we've already surpassed Iran and Germany, which is a worrying trend. And as India is now slowly unlocking itself, the spread of the coronavirus also remains a worry for the government.
Absolutely. We're in phase unlock 1.2, and in that kind of a circumstance, we're bound to see a greater spread of infection. But can we really afford it? Because what experts are saying is that we could see a steep rise in the number of cases in a matter of 2 weeks. Milind, thank you for joining us with those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.